schooled in Kongu Kalvi Nilayam Metric Higher Secondary School at Avinasi. And I have secured in SSLC in 50% and I have secured in HSC in 62.5%. And I am pursuing my bachelor degree in SNS College of Technology in BE Computer Science Engineering, and I have secured in 9.25% of CGPA. Five pillars of SNS institution was CLT, CFC, IIPC, SCD and SRI. Throughout the habits of mind and collaborative teaching and learning. I will explain the CLT topic, also known as the Center for Learning. Hi everyone, my name is M. Sivaprakash. This topic name is Artificial Intelligence. One of the topic name is Forward Chaining and Backward Chaining through the Artificial Intelligence concept. Then next slide will be explaining. Inference engine. The inference engine is the component of the intelligence system in artificial intelligence, which applies the logical rules of the knowledge base to infer new information from known facts. The CLT comparison of the inference engine is the commonly known as two types. One name is forward chaining and another name is backward chaining. Then step by step explain him to the next slide. Then one name was the forward chaining. Forward chaining is defined as the logical process of the inferring unknown truth from known data and moving using determine the condition and rules to find a solution. Now what condition of the forward chain is the breakthrough condition and the logical sequence and walk through the beginning to end to attach the step after the solved. Then forward chaining and backward chaining one difference. One is a logical process and the comparing process. Then next slide to the forward chaining or comparison. Backward chaining. Backward chain, also known as the backward reasoning, is defined as the inferration method. Describe the congruously working backward from the goal. The backward chaining uses Pathittingna, automata theorem and inference engine, proof assistant and other artificial intelligence application. Backward chaining and forward chaining both rules based on the model points used on the inference rule. Forward and backward chaining are different sets. It is bottom up approach, this is the top up approach. The breadth first strategy, the depth first strategy. It goes to get conclusion, it goes to get possible fact. Knowledge base of the forward chaining and backward chaining purpose. Forward chaining is the method of reasoning artificial intelligence which inference rule the applied of the existing system and extract addition data to be achieved. And use backward chaining, that is breaking a skill down into smaller steps and then teaching the last step sequence first. In Google inside of the child was is the ants in the sick into the toilet. Forward chaining or diagrammatic structure. Backward chain or a diagrammatic structure. Forward and backward both condition are different but situation is same. Forward chaining, also known as a forward deduction or forward reasoning method, used in the inference engine. Forward chaining is the reasoning start with automatic sentence and knowledge base applies of the forward direction. Also, backward chaining is also known as the backward deduction or backward reasoning method, used the same condition on the inference engine Backward chaining algorithm is the form of reasoning to start the fact support the goals. On cause and definite cause comparison of the chaining rule. On cause and definite cause are the form of sentence to enable the base to more restricted and efficient inference in algorithm, so that the first order definite class name. The definite class is also known as the exertive one positive literal is known as the definite class asterisk on class. On class. On class is a simply concept, then easily casual judgment and a literature. At most, one positive literal is known as the on class. All definite classes are the on class. The forward chaining or properties to the 5 points is a go through them. It is the down up approach. It moves from the bottom to top. And another point, it processes them making a conclusion based on a facts or data starting from the initial state to goal state. And forward chaining approach is called as the data driven goal using the available data. Forward chaining approach the data driven is called data availing. Forward chaining approach the commonly used on the clips business and production and rule systems. And another backward chaining on properties. It also knows the top down approach. Previous slide to the differentiate is same concept through the properties. Backward chaining is based on a modulus prudence inference rules. In backward chaining, the goal is broken to the situation of the fact truth. It is called the goal driven approach as the list of goals decided which rules are selected and used. Backward chaining algorithms used as the game theory concept such as the tools, inference engine, proofs assistant and various AI applications. AI is known as artificial intelligence. The 5G server. The backward chaining method mostly used as the depth first search strategy for a proof condition. Application. Forward chaining and backward chaining application is a method of reasoning that exceeds the domain of the artificial intelligence such as the MYCIN and DETRAL to generate the solution to real life problems. To the knowledge base, go through the inference engine, go through the user interface such as the artificial intelligence forward and backward chaining of the user server management system of the application layer. Conclusion. Backward and forward chain is a conclusion in through the artificial intelligence. Through the concept is same, but approach, the strategy, technique, speed and operation direction are different. Forward chain is the most important developer that use the data driven algorithm to develop the efficiency of the computer based system. Through the backward chaining is a developer interest the goal driven algorithm to design the effective solution in complex database systems. Resources. Through the forward chaining and backward chaining through the artificial intelligence concept to references to main references, I will go through them. Videos. In social media videos in artificial intelligence forward chaining and backward chaining videos to go through and explain him. Have any queries? Thank you.